Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here in Burlington and I'm looking for Christmas kitchen Christmas decor, and I come across this 5-piece set right here, baking set. You get a mitten, you get a whisk, you get a spoon, and you get 2 of the actual little cookie cutters here, and these are going for $6.99, and they just come in this this white and blue color here. I don't see any other colors. I also see this whisk here, which is real pretty. $2.99. They have this sugar and spice baking set here. You get the 8 measuring cups, and you get the spoon and the cup set there. Also, I see another, this one right here, guys. This one is actually going for $5.99. And they also have the little 3-piece baking set here. You get the spoon, you get the cookie cutter, and you get the roller. All right, I also see some bowls down. This is a set of 3 mixing bowls right here, 2 quart, 3.2 quart, and 5 quart, $14.99. It comes in that red right there. They also have this 3-piece spring form pan set. It's a 3-piece set, and I don't actually, well, actually the price is $9.99. They have this here. This is a 24 cupcake carrier, and this is a great find right here. It has, you can put 24 cupcakes in for $9.99. That is a good deal right there. Also, they have this 3-piece bowl set right here. Actually, it's 2 bowls. It's a 5-piece set. You get the 2 ribbed mixing bowls, the 4 measuring cups, and the little small spoons right there, 4 measuring spoons. And the price of it is $16.99. Also, guys, I see this baking. This right here is a dual cake. It's actually a cupcake pan here for $6.99. And they also have that set of 3 oval mixing bowls right there. And the price of those, let me see what the price of these are. These are actually going for $12.99. But I love that 24 cupcake carrier right there. But they have a lot of nice, great Christmas cooking items that you can have for the Christmas holidays. They have this 144-piece baking cup dish right here. Little cupcake holders. They have these right here, guys. These are going for $5.99. This is a cupcake set. They have the cookie cutters here. You get 10 cookie cutters for $7.99. Alright guys, so I see some nice pots and pans here. I also see this nice little, it's a set of 3 mixing bowls, and it comes with the little truck on this side of these. You get a 2 quart, 3.2 quart, and 5 quart. I think it was the one I showed earlier, but it's $14.99. It has a different pattern on it. But isn't that cute? They have a lot of nice red classic non-stick pots and pans here. I'm looking for something similar to this right here. This is going for $16.99. And they also have some nice high steel tea kettles here. Look at this pretty black one here. This one is $14.99. And it's made by Just Teasin', and it's a little black kettle here. That's very cute. And they also have that turquoise one right there, a light blue, and it's going for $9.99. Here's another one of those Just Teasin', but this is a different type of texture, and the price of it is going for, let's see, the price of it is $14.99. But they have a lot of nice kettles here. I love this red one right here. This one is going for $16.99. Alright guys, so if you're looking for any type of baking pans or anything like that, Pyrex has some nice baking pans in here. This is a 3-quart and it's going for $5.99. And they also have the smaller ones that you can put like a casserole in or something of that nature. It is going for $4.99. I also see these little different color little pans right here, maybe casserole dishes. These are going for $16.99, but they have them in orange. They have them in that blue color there. I see turquoise and I see gray. These ones right here are $16.99, and the larger ones right here, they're very sturdy, guys. This one is $49.99. Oh my God. But it's a great buy if you're looking for something like that. They also have bundt cakes in here. Bundt cake pans in here. This one is $4.99, and it's like a goldish color, steel color. Also, I see this tart dish right here, which is very nice. $19.99, and they also have an orange one as well. So if you're looking for salt and pepper set shakers for your table for the holidays, they have this little Santa and this little Christmas tree one right here for $3.99. That's what it looks like. They also have these 2 Santa ones right here, and they're the same price, $3.99. I also see these little 2 pink ones right here for $3.99. And guys, look at this one right here. This is an actual unicorn. I'm assuming this is a unicorn with the snowman. $3.99. But they have a lot of things here if you're looking for things for your Christmas, your kitchen decor. They have this spoon holder right here. It's a penguin for $2.99. They have these nice little wooden coasters here. Well, actually, they're ceramic, and these are going for $5.99. Also, they have these Christmas ice cube trays here. No, actually, they're Super Mario Brother ice cube trays. I'm not sure why this is over here, but it's actually $3.99. All right, guys, so I see these nice little trays right here. Look how cute these are. But these say all roads lead home for Christmas. And they have the red truck on the back for $4.99. Those are very pretty. I also see that they have these. Now, I'm not sure, these are not cookie dishes. To put cookies in, but I think these are like if you want to add maybe candy or your flour or things of that nature for the holidays. You can pull those out there. They have this nice arts and craft bowl here where you can put like fruit and things of that nature in for $12.99. That is very pretty. Look at that. Alright guys, and they have tons and tons of pot holders. They have this pot holder set right here, a set of 2. You get the pot holder and the mitten, and it's going for $4.99. They also have this one right here. This is a kitchen set. You get the 2 pot holders. It says fa la 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 with green, and you get that spoon right there. And this is going for $9.99. They have a lot of mittens and mittens and pot holders here. This one right here is a 1 oven mitt and 1 pot holder. And the price of it is going for, let's see, it doesn't have a price on it. I'm pretty sure it does. I'm probably just missing it. But they also have this one right here. You get a pot holder and mitt, and they're going for, a lot of these don't have prices, guys. Let's see. Yeah, I'm not actually seeing the prices of these, but I think those would be very nice. They also have these silicone baking molds right here. You can get a Christmas tree. They still have Halloween stuff out, but that Christmas tree would be great if you're looking for like maybe a gelatin mold or something like that in the shape of a Christmas tree. But anything that you need, they have measuring cups in red right here, $2.99. They have different type of basting spoons, turners. You're looking for knives. They have this knife value set right here, and it's going for $5.99. All right, guys, so I couldn't stop and to glance at all of the different Christmas mugs right here. They have this mug right here, Snuggle Season, for $3.99. They have that green one there for $3. They have this pretty red one here for $3.99. So basically all of these are pretty much $3.99. They have this pretty big one right here that says Dabbing Through the Snow. This one is $3.99 as well. They have that one right there, Merry Christmas, $3.99. But look how nice the coffee mugs here. They have Don't Make Me Use My Teacher Voice. They have this Fa La 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 one, Fa La 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 Llama, and it's $3.99 as well. So even the bigger coffee mugs here are $3.99, which is a great deal. They have this two-piece mug set right here, Best Grandma Ever, Best Grandpa Ever, and the price of it is $5.99. They have this nice little coffee mug right here with Santa on the side for $3.99. And I see that they have a 3 set of little coffee mugs right here. And let's see, these are going for, actually it's a 4 set, guys. And these are going for $8.99. And they have these ones as well for $8. I also see this travel mug set here. And the price of it is $9.99. So you get the Ghirardelli double chocolate, the hot cocoa mix, mini marshmallows, and travel mug. They also have these set of 2 16-ounce mugs right here, and they have the little snowman on the cup here. These are $6.99. Alright guys, so this was my main focus to come in here. I was looking for mostly kitchen towels. So I see that they have this pretty one right here. Actually, it's a 2-piece set, but it says Form Fresh on the front. It has a little jingles there. And of course, it doesn't have a price on it, guys. This one right here, you get a 2-piece set here for $5.99. And they have this 2-piece set right here, Holly Jolly, for $5.99. They have this North Pole Workshop here. You get 2 kitchen towels here, red and green, and they are going for $5.99. Those are very cute. They have the set of 2 towels right here, $5.99. This one right here says Merry Christmas, $5.99. But as you notice, they have a lot of kitchen towels out, guys, and they all come in 2s, which are very pretty, guys. This one right here says Merry Christmas on it for $5. So pretty much all of these are $5.99, and you get a set of 2. They even have drying mats right here that says Fa La 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 La, and these drying mats are $7.99. These ones here, they have these right here for $5.99. And they also have that drying mat with the rack up there. Let's see what the price of it is. It is going for $7.99, and that's what it looks like. So you get the drying mat, you get the ones where you can put the spoons, forks, knives, things of that nature in. You can also put plates in those sections right there. And they also have that Minnie Mouse one there, the Disney Minnie Mouse one, for $9.99. Alright guys, so they have fabric tablecloths here. This is an oblong tablecloth right here, which comes in this pretty color right here, $12.99. And guys, look at that pretty tablecloth right there. Let me put this to the side for just a second here. This pretty tablecloth right here. Look at the color of that. So that's like a silver striped, like a brownish, light brownish color for $9.99. They have that pretty red one right there for $14. They also have placemats down here for $9.99. I'm not sure if that plate, this is just by itself $9.99. I think it comes in four for $9.99 if I'm not mistaken. But they have different tablecloths if you're looking for a tablecloth for your table to make it nice. They have that one right there. It's an oblong for $16. And it comes in that color there. It has cardinal birds on it. If you're looking for wine glasses or anything of that nature for your table, they have this 6-piece 8-ounce white wine glass set right here. Let's see what the price of this is. $6.99. Also, they have these little Roadhouse 6-piece shot glasses right here. Comes in 6 for $3.99. They have this 6 glasses of adulting short drinks, like a nice cocktail, and the price of it is going for $4.99. Okay guys, so as I was leaving at the store, I came in here to look for kitchen, Christmas kitchen decor, but I couldn't help but to stop and look at the pillows here. This pillow right here that says Merry Christmas is going for $9. Look at that pretty one right there with the present on the front with the little jingle bells. It's $15.99. They have this one right here with the 3 snowmen on it, $9. They have this set of 2 pillows, decorative pillows right here. These are going for $17. And also they have that Merry and Bright pillow right there. The price of it is going for, let's see, it doesn't have a price on it, but it's very pretty. They have this North Pole pillow right here, $10.99. Isn't it cute? They have this Joy pillow right here, $15. They have this one right here that says Merry, $14. Family. They have this one with the 3 little pups on it. Let's see. This one is going for $10. That's very cute. You have that Noel. You have this Believe one right here for $17. That's very pretty. And I'm not sure if this is supposed to be here, but this is a Believe sign here for $6. And they have this pretty purplish looking color right here that says Noel. And I don't see a price on it, but it's very pretty. Alright guys, so one more stop I wanted to make to show you guys. Look how pretty these little, let's see what these are. These are the high fragrance diffusers here. Look how pretty that is. $5. So pretty much all of these are going for $5. Okay, that's a red one here with the little sticks, and they smell amazing. This one right here is $5. They have this one right here with the 2 little red diffusers on it. I mean, those 2 little snowmen. And it comes with 2 diffusers, $5. But they have different ones, as you can see, guys, and all of these are going for $5. They have this one right here. This is a Winter Wonderland scent here for $5. So all of these are $5. And they have candles galore, guys, as you can see. But I want to thank you guys so much for stopping by my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, share, comment, like. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get alerts each and every time I upload. If you're returning, go ahead and share this video with your friends and family. And guys, look how pretty this is right here. You can put this actually in a bowl or something. The price of it is $7.99, $8. Go ahead and share this video with your friends and family, guys. And as always, I want to thank you so much for stopping by my channel again today. And I hope to see you guys again real soon. Bye, guys.